Hey guys, this is Gordon McDonald, West Coast Swing Amsterdam. Today we're going to spend a little bit more time on our footwork, and we have to think about 6 count patterns, and we're going to finish with 8. But first the 6 count. Normally we're going to have a step, step, triple step, where you can see that the first 2 are done like doubles and the other 2 sets are going to be done as triples, right? It's going to be a step, step, triple step, triple step. Even though we are using this during our dance, partner dance, we can also mix it up a little bit by creating something just to make it more repetitive and more fun to practice. So the first practice is going to be, or exercise is going to be, we're going to step sideways, then we'll make a cross. So this is going to be a 1 and 2. So once again, 1, 2. Remember that after this, we're going to have 2 times a triple step. So we're going to try this as well. So it's going to be a triple step, triple step. As you can see, on the first one, I'm stepping sideways. Then I'm going to make a cross. Then I'm using my triples to go back. Triple step. And then I'm going to do another triple step. Triple step. So when I'm going to speed up, it's going to be like this. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So this is the first exercise. If you feel that you wanted to do the other side, then just start on your left, your right. Yeah. Now you're going to do a side step to the opposite side. So it's going to be a side, cross, step out and cross, and you're going to finish again with your triple step. Okay. Good. So this is the first set. The other one is that we can place maybe even more syncopation in our exercises. So, I'm sorry, in our pattern. Normally the syncopation is between 3 and 4. Remember? 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. You can hear those ends, and they're all going to be steps. So now we can do the following. We can do a 1, 2, and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. So now you're going to see that there are going to be way more steps involved instead of only those 3 and 4s, 5 and 6. Okay, so let's just see how this works out. If we're going to do this just like our normal 6 count exercise that we did before. So it's going to be 1, 2, and then we're going to do this and 3 and 4. And 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. See that? One more time. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. To continue this, we can start now, even though my weight is on my right, and you can see that I'm slightly going that direction. Then I'm going to start with my end. My first one is going to be a cross. Remember, we just started going sideways, but this time it's just going to be a cross. We still are going to use the syncopation, so we're not going to deviate from that. So what does that mean? It's going to be a 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Okay. So what should be my next move is going to be a step to the side. So let's just do that. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. I feel that we have our 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and we just raised up the challenge to make it and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. So what happens if we do everything from the 1 up all up until the 6? Let's see how that works out. So again, I'm just going to take one position, my right or my left, it doesn't matter. From there it's going to be 1, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. So you now have a couple of things that you can work on. The fun part would be if you can also implement this with your with any type of music. So I think you should start with just slow music. Yeah, so like this. Right, and if you're gonna speed it up, yeah, with those syncopations, you're still gonna make this normal beat, but your feet is going to be speeding up, speeding up. From there, you're gonna try just to find songs who has a higher BPM, and from there you can see that your footwork will increase and will also improve dramatically. Okay, so that was it. Thank you very much again for your time. I hope you really like this video. Remember that we have tons and tons of videos on our YouTube channel and also on our website, West Coast Swing Amsterdam. Okay, thank you very much. Hopefully to see you next time.